welcome to our September Take and Make for Adults. My name is Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin garland. It's almost September, and I don't know about you, but I'm getting ready to decorate for fall. And this garland is just a quick and easy craft that you can make and use for decorating your house for fall. So in your bag that you picked up at the library, you will have orange felt, orange burlap, twine, a pumpkin template, and mini clothespins. So all you have to round up from around your house is a pair of scissors, some glue, and some kind of marker or pen. You can use a variety of different glues for this project. You can use something as simple as school glue, or you can use tacky glue, fabric glue, whatever you have. But it can be school glue, which is what I'm going to use today. I already put the template on my piece of orange burlap and traced around there. So you just, once you get that one done, you can go to the orange felt and take your marker or pen and trace around there. And then you just use your scissors and cut out the pumpkin shapes. You've been given enough material in your bag to make about 6 pumpkins. I'm just going to show you how to do one today, but you can make up to 6 with the material that you have. But if you want fewer than that, that's fine too. But okay. The burlap's going to be the harder of the two to cut, but just a regular pair of scissors will be fine. So here is the burlap pumpkin. And it does shed a little bit, so sorry about that. I like putting up garland on my fireplace mantle, but if you don't have a mantle, these look cute strung across a bookcase or a doorway. And you can get creative and do a lot of different things with it. Okay. Alright, so I've cut out both of my pumpkin shapes now, and I am, just make sure that they line up nicely. You are going to be putting the orange felt pumpkin on the bottom, and the orange burlap pumpkin is going to be glued on top. So you don't need a ton of glue for this. I just put a thin line around the outside of the orange felt pumpkin. And then I just carefully put the burlap pumpkin over top. And with school glue, you can kind of, if you need to, adjust it and line it up more. You have time to do that with that glue. Just make sure all of the edges are as flat as can be. While these pumpkins dry, I like putting them under some books or something else heavy that will help them to stay flat while they dry, because then that just gives you a nicer looking pumpkin when you put it on your twine. Once your pumpkins have all dried, you have your length of twine, and it's up to you how you want to spread them out and space them along the twine, but all you need to do to attach it is take your mini wooden clothespin and just pin the pumpkin to the twine. Like I said, really quick, really easy, very simple, but you end up with a nice looking decor item that you can use around your house. That's it. So if you liked doing this craft, I wanted to let you know that we are going to have more take and make crafts in October, November, and December for adults. So be looking at the library's website and in the paper and on Facebook for those different crafts that are going to be coming up. But thank you for watching, thank you for participating, and we'll see you soon. Bye.